Okay guys, so we've got a really low air change in this house. So we've done our blower door tests with Passive Tech and we've got our figure of 0.35 air changes. So that's a really low number. When we set out to build high performance, we always want to set out from the start to think about our mechanical ventilation. With this project here, we worked through with the architect, and what we decided was going to be better for the project was decentralized HRVs. So I've got one behind me that's roughed in into the wall. So we'll just run through the components. It's not quite finished because it's hanging out the wall, but we've got a 150 PVC pipe here, and this is taped to the outside envelope with our WRB. It's blocked off from the outside as well, so that's always going to be shut off. This is our core, so we'll just pull this out and give you a closer look. So this is our core that goes inside of this. Now in this project, we're running two little decentralized HRVs. So they're a pair and they'll talk to each other, and what we say is it's got a push-pull effect. One will be pulling air out, the other one will be pushing air in, and they'll just go in tandem and swap around. So that's it. It's got a heat exchange inside, so we're in a cold climate here. It cannot just bring cold air in and dump it into your nice warm house. It's going to actually warm that air and filter it back in. So it's really important when you're building with a low air tightness that you're really accounting for mechanical ventilation. Along with this, we've got our Lunos Silvento smart humidity fans in our bathrooms here as well. So that's going to deal with any moisture and condensation when you've got a shower running and so forth. But yeah, that's a key bonus there, and yeah, decentralized HRV.